was a sunny day down on the farm. Lili woke up and saw some alarm. The barn was dirty, filled with dust. It needed cleaning, that was a must. She grabbed a broom and started to sweep, but oh no dear, it was too deep. I need some help, this will be fun. Together we'll get the cleaning done. Max the bunny took a mop in his palm, and most of the cow brought a bucket of water. Polka tall with the feather duster came to help. Each one had a job, ready to clean well. But suddenly it chewed dust in the air. The wind blew strong and made a mess everywhere. The hay was flying, water splashed around. Oh no, now what we have found. Lili thought, let's organize. If we all focus, it'll be nice. I'll sweep the floor, Max will dry me. Tulsa grabs the cloth and polka dot comes by. Everyone laughed and sang along. The barn was clean before too long. Lili smiled and soon she knew, with friends there's nothing we can't do. When we work together side by side, everything feels like a fun ride. The barn now shines and our hearts do too. Let's all sing clean and it's good for you.